Ayilana ke siyancoma kuphela sisho lutho sidlulisa nje ukuncoma. Umbekezeli is proof ukuthi makuphela amandla sebenzisa inkani. Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Bongenkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. Today we'll talk about three players. Happy Mashiane, Neo Rapu and Inacio Miguel. Kodwa ke niyalazi ke nani udaba ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi siye kude ngicela ningisiza ngento yodwa by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke maso subscribeile danko kaningi asivele sihlala udabeni. Happy Mashiane, I'd say ukuthi you know when they say ukuthi ibhadi liyakwazi kubo kwabo, they are talking about the player like Happy Mashiane. And most people will say ukuthi since that incident the CAF Champions League final, he never came back. He never bounced back. He was never the same player. And it is said to see ukuthi i-career yakhe iyovela ishabalele kanjalo phambi kwethu sibuka. And if you look at his future at Chiefs, I don't think there's still space for him anymore. There are many coaches that came after that final of the CAF Champions League, but none of the coaches actually believed in Mashiane. Njoba simbone sebamlona to Iswelele FC. And that thing it is said. We know good in a club, players come and go and we get attached to other players, some players we don't. But Mashiane has been unlucky, Bafito. Let's be honest. A player that is technically gifted, that is good, and educated left foot, but the career yakhe maye kanje izoyisubhlungu. And now you don't know ukuthi kahle kahle where to from here. You look at age, he's 28. He's still capable, but he needs a coach that will believe in him, a coach that will understand him and use him the right way. But if you look at Chiefs, I don't think there's still space for him at Chiefs. Right now we have three left backs, Bradley Cross, Kanyiso Shinga, and Upaseka Mako. Umako wouldn't have been signed ekhona uMashiane. And now that I've heard something linking a player from Iswelele FC to Kaizer Chiefs, it makes it even worse now. I don't know ukuthi sekumele kwenziweni manje. I don't think ukuthi even if naye he was punishing himself, it's enough manje. Sekwanele. I think ukuthi at least he must find a way whereby ukuthi he will start playing again, start enjoying football again. Uvavo is not a bad player. He just needs an opportunity. But in a club like Kaizer Chiefs, whereby now they are under pressure to perform and get the results that are needed by the fans, it makes it even more difficult. Because I don't think there's still patience for a player like him now. Knowing very well we have three left backs. And there's other two that can also play with senior team. Ungwesa is being part of the senior team. Ayizwe subhlungu indaba kaMashiane, to be honest. I don't know ukuthi kusekumele kwenziweni manje, but I just hope ukuthi he will enjoy playing football again. He will be Happy Mashiane olandela igama lakhe abe happy. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. Asivele sikhulume manje about that player that I've mentioned. It's uNeo Rapu. uNeo Rapu is a Siwelele FC player. He plays as a left back, a left midfield, and also a left wing. Same profile as Happy Mashiane. And it kind of like makes sense if it is true that Kaizer Chiefs want to sign him. By the way, I've heard this from Ukalvari, best of Chiefs. They always ask me, who are your sources? Nah, source. It's Calvary, best of Chiefs. Makuhluleke Austin Ditlhobolo, Soccer Beat, Lorenzo Cola, Mickey Jr. I resort to him because I know ukuthi unokushaya eceleni aphinde ashaye khona, but kancane ukuthi ashaye eceleni because he did say something about Fernando da Cruz was sign. He said something about Noisane. He said something about Aiden McCarthy leaving Chiefs. And there's still a lot. But I'm not saying ukuthi this thing it is confirmed. It's a link. I-link ayifani nento official. Kodwa ke ngingachaze kakhulu. Neo Rapu is 20 years old and you know very well ukuthi he's a versatile player. One thing I like about him ukuthi he's still young, energetic, can cover a lot of ground, and he is a player that you can rely on. He played a maximum of 27 games in the season that just ended. It tells you about the player itself. He is good. He is a capable player. Finishing with 3 assists. I think he's 5 less or 5 short of reaching a level ga Horton Mufukeng kuma assist 8-8. But to see this one is a player that is growing. A player that is trying to find his feet in the Betway Premiership or in the PSL as a whole. But a player like him, I believe experience Seganai from the days of SuperSport to Iswelele and the national level, under 20. His future is bright. But I think it doesn't make sense from Kaizer Chiefs. Why would they want to sign Neo Rapu? Maybe in terms of depth, but in terms of do we need him? I don't think so. I don't think we are desperate to have a player that can play that left back because we have Cross, we have Umarko, we have Ushinga. If you look at Ushinga and Umarko, their age are still good enough for them to play for the longest of time at Chiefs. But for Umarko, I'd say give him 2 years and then it's Chai as he signed the direct contract. But sesingathatha Neo Rapu and make him a player whereby we are going after his signature and we want him so bad, I don't think it makes sense. We still have Unkhwez. They are the same age group. Why not integrate him? Or is it the matter of experience? They want someone who knows how to play in the top flight football. Or maybe it is because they want to include Martian in their deal. There it might make sense. Okay, since they said they want Martian, let's give them Martian. Let's give them Samgelozwan. And then they give us Neo Rapu. Not unless there's also money that needs to be negotiated in that deal. But it can make business sense if they put it in that way. But in a sense whereby they just want him, he is a priority. I don't think it makes sense having 3 left backs already. Because even Rapu is not that kind of a specialist I can say the team needs. He's the same like Upaseka Marco. Is the same like Ushinga. We've seen him play. And for his age, obviously, we'll appreciate he will grow well. But Chiefs is desperate. But I don't know. Because Nyaz you guys have a different perspective when it comes to this. It might happen, you see a need for him at Chiefs. It's not about how I feel, but it's all about what will he bring at Chiefs. Is he that hybrid? But I think it makes sense. I was contradicting myself there. He had 3 assists, meaning going forward, he's also good. I think he gets tested when it comes to defending. Yeah. Cross can defend, Marco can attack. And the thing is, you cannot play both of them the same time. So, yeah. ngathi umqondo uyabuya kancane. Yeah, uyabuya wona. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. What do you think about Tuneo Rapho? Will it be a good signing for Kaizer Chiefs, looking at the kind of games that will come thick and fast next season? Because of obvious, we are participating in all the competitions. Or you think they should just let this one slide and focus on their own development players? Because you can krumongweza bayekele ama-player wama-development wamanye ama-team. I don't know. Kodwa ke I know very well ukuthi most of you bayamfuna vela, and you might have better reasoning than what I just did with my own. But asikho lapho. Asihlale ku last topic of the day. I think sokhuluma Inacio Miguel Ivikela Mbuso. Since uGiven Msimango aphaphamile wavuka emaqandeni, it seems like ukuthi now fans, they feel like there's no space for Inacio Miguel anymore. They don't rate him anymore. And what makes it worse is the arrival of Thabo Moleisane. And we easily forget ukuthi Ivikela Mbuso was there for Chiefs, sacrificed himself to play as a left center back, of which I think he thrived more as a left center back compared to the right center back. I don't know why. I think there's a footballing reasoning for that. But I think if you are playing in a position you are not familiar with, you are treading carefully there because you avoid mistakes, because you know ukuthi the consequences might be worse than the ones you might actually get if you are playing your regular position, because the recovery might be easier if you are playing right center back compared to left center back. I'm not sure, but I don't know why he was doing well go left center back compared to the right one. But now this thing would know Agahambi, we no longer need him, says right. You are not certain about Umloisane ukuthi uzofika fit like a glove in a club like Kaizer Chiefs, because we don't want to see him being consumed by a pressure. Uzita Kunika is not a player that you can say it's a long-term investment. He's in the long-term plans of the Chiefs. After this contract extension, they might decide no, we are not renewing for you. Yet Miguel iyaphela contract in June next year. So that simply means ukuthi if there can be a club that can sign him, ingamsiza ekuthenini ukuthi avela azambele ngokuthula, because now it seems like ukuthi akasekho welcome the Chiefs. Hey, Ivikela Mbuso liwuvikela umbuso this season. And you just hope next season every player will be mentally sharp to be able to be in a situation whereby whether we play or not, but the moment I get the game time, I perform. And I also believe it even next season, usazodlalo nje uVikela Mbuso, he will work on himself kule preseason, right? Because he has a grit. He has that fighting spirit ukuthi angeke ngivume ukuhluleka. That aggression you need it in a team sometimes. That's why it becomes easier to balance between two center backs with A1 may become A1 ibe aggressive, because in a situation whereby you are playing against a striker that is physical, you know good die. Miguel ukhona. Just imagine playing a Dudley and Eden McCarthy in the same game. Zizokhalela. Sometimes you need the presence of a player aggressive to scare off attackers. They know good akudlalelwa lapho. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. I just hope and believe ukuthi next season we will see a Kaizer Chiefs that is rejuvenated, a Kaizer Chiefs that will do well. Nibona kanjani na, should Miguel leave or he must stay and honor the contract, and then we'll see next season ukuthi will he be better, because ama mistakes wakhe nama yellow cards, and there was a moment whereby ukuthi he was no longer getting ama yellow card consistently, bese kaba disciplined. But now the good thing is that to have options. Mloisane, Msimango hoping ukuthi will be consistent and uzozibamba siqine. We have uKunika, uDotli naye uzobuya. The thing nje ukuthi I'm worried about is that anga decline in terms of performance. We have Xolani Khosa, so there's no need to add another center back.